I think these kinds of programs are incredibly important. I think early in people's diplomatic careers, they need to understand the importance of understanding people and personal relationships. And that what this does is develop a network which will produce incredible results later on and have more than exponentially increase the value of whatever people spend to put this program on. There should be more of these. I think first it's important that people start to deal with their colleagues from around the world. And the fact that there are more than 30 countries represented here, some of whom don't necessarily deal with each other in straight and direct fashion, make the world a better place, because these are the future leaders of tomorrow. These are the people whose skills you are teaching, who will do important things when there are crises, and things will get solved because of the networks they have developed, because of the people they know, and because of the kinds of skills they learn at these kinds of programs. I was fortunate to be here last year, which is why I asked to come back, and one of the ideas that I would think that the organizers should really develop is how you take this group of people and keep them together. How you develop, whether it's an alumni network, whether it's a newsletter, whether it's a way of keeping these relationships and building upon them. I would also then be going to countries which have sent people for a number of years and be creating groups inside their countries about the alumni of this kind of a program to find the best and the brightest for the future. Because the future of good diplomacy is here in Colossian right now.